Hi, I've seen this acoustic levitator and was fascinated by it and wanted to see if I could do it. So I made a search online and found kits sold on AliExpress for about $70. You can also buy the individual items and print the base if you have a 3D printer. So the kit arrives with three main components: acoustic transducers, 3D printed base, Arduino board and a driver. And the following are the required steps to make the acoustic levitator. First, we need to check the polarity of the transducers, and for that we need an oscilloscope. Second, we need to assemble the kit. Third, we need to program the Arduino board, and finally we need to connect all the wires as per the schematic, which you can find on Instructable acoustic levitator. And the connections are pretty straightforward. So here we go. Transducers check. Oscilloscope is set at 1 volt and the time is 50 milliseconds. 2 strips of aluminium, normal aluminium tape. Okay, we can see the spike is going upwards, so the pin connected to the positive of the oscilloscope to be marked. Pocket. Alright, again, this side to be marked. Okay, this time is gone down, so we can mark, or we should mark the ground side, which is the left side. I like to turn it around and check again to make sure. Yep, it's gone up, so this side again to be marked. You poke it in the center lightly. This is quite a strong transducer, so don't have to worry about piercing it. Yep, it's down, so this means the ground side will be marked. Next step is to put the transducers, and they should all be oriented with the mark made in the earlier step, pointing towards the center of the transducer. So this is the white mark pointing towards the center. Push them down firmly. And next we'll put some glue to make sure they don't fall down. So So to glue this, I prefer to put the glue all around it instead of putting the glue underneath it and then pushing down on it. So that way I make sure that all the transducers are at the bottom and pressed firmly. Wrapping the wires around the pins of the transducers. I make a loop around each pin for a better connection. And cut the extra wire. Okay, and then we start soldering all these pins with the wires. Next step is to program the Arduino board, and for that we need the Arduino uploader, any version will do, and of course we need the firmware or software that we can download. So that's the Nano Tiny Live. Open that one, it will open the Arduino uploader. Next we need to go to Tools, select the board that we have, which is the Arduino Nano. I'm not sure whether it's 168 or 328. I'll just use 328 and see if it works. Then I press the arrow which is upload. Alright, so I got a message saying serial port is already in use. So I'll try to go to Tools again and check the serial port. I'll just use this one, try it. upload. And it says done uploading. That's it. Connecting all the wires is straightforward as per the schematic. Nothing special. I decided to glue it here at the back of the device itself, and I've cut the wires all to the required length to reduce the mess. Put the switch up here, and next we're gonna try it. Okay, so it's all ready now to try. This part here was slightly bent, so I had to a little bit adjust it upwards to make it more straight. I think it's a fault in the 3D printing itself. You can see here it's a little bit bent. Anyway, I think it's much better now. It's probably going to get noisy when I put it on because of the frequency from the transducers. Probably will interfere with the camera itself. Okay, so it's working. Try another one. Yep. Alright, good luck to you all, and I hope you can manage to do this also. And any questions, please, you can write to me, and I'll try to help.